this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine and comes equipped with the STX Black Appearance Package. Taking a look in the back here, we do get rear park sensing, your tow hitch, your backup camera, we do get mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on each side with blind spot detection, and moving to the front here, we get a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some yellow accents, plenty of door space in the back here, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, USB-Cs, rear vents, and a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop with a start, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 6 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To remember, we've got tons of storage. You got cup holders, more storage here. You even get storage underneath. Storage with some outlets here. You got your center console as well with lower storage. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake with your climate controls, 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs. We got some storage up here and below on the dash, and looking here, we got hazards traction and your backup camera. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls just right here. Fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF19785, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.